How much should you actually spend on a paintless dent repair kit? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, GLISTON 45 PCS Dent Repair Kit. First up is the GLISTON 45 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Toolkit. Priced at $35.99, it immediately caught my attention with its comprehensive set of tools and positive reviews. If you want a reliable kit that works for various dent sizes, this is worth a serious look. It has 5 different size tabs and can be used for a variety of surfaces, from cars to refrigerators. With a solid 4.1 star rating from over 8,800 buyers, it's clear that many people have found success with this kit. Plus, it can save you money by allowing you to fix dents yourself without waiting for a shop appointment. Now, some people complained about the difficulty of using it on corners or creases. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly dealing with flat areas, this isn't a deal breaker, but if your car has more complex dents, you might want to consider another option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly kit that covers all the basics. Skip this one if you have a lot of intricate dents that need fixing. Overall, for $35.99, it's a solid value. Now, if the GLISTON kit's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Super PDR Car Dent Repair Kit. Next, let's talk about the Super PDR Car Dent Repair Kit, which is priced at $58.99. I was drawn in by its promise of comprehensive auto dent removal tools and a solid set of features. If you want a kit that covers all bases for dent repair, this one is definitely worth considering. This kit includes a detachable 2-in-1 slide hammer and an adjustable bridge puller that allows you to customize your approach based on the size of the dent. It's designed specifically for flat, soft metal panels, making it ideal for smaller dings and dents. The ease of use really stood out to me. Most repairs can be done in about 30 minutes, which is great if you're looking to save time and money. The 4-star rating from 389 reviews is also a good indicator of its performance. However, some users found it tricky to work on edges or aluminum panels. Here's my take. If you're mainly dealing with single-layer steel, this shouldn't be a concern, but it is something to keep in mind if your vehicle has different materials. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded kit that's easy to use. Skip this one if you need to fix more complex dent shapes. For the price, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more diverse dent repair needs. Product number 3, GLISTON Auto Dent Puller Kit. Coming in at $32.39, the GLISTON Auto Dent Puller Kit is another interesting contender. I liked its adjustable design and accessibility for anyone to use. If you're looking for a straightforward solution to remove dents, this kit is worth a serious look. This kit features a golden dent lifter that adjusts both width and height, making it versatile for both small and larger dents. It comes with 21 different size tabs that allow for specific applications, ensuring a strong grip on your vehicle's surface. Plus, the professional-grade glue sticks mean they won't detach easily during use. With a 3.9-star rating from 5,100 reviews, it's clear this kit has found its fans. It's designed for various applications, so you're not limited to just cars. Now, some users mention that the glue can take a bit longer to set in colder weather. Here's the thing though, if you're in a warmer climate or can heat the area a bit, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable kit that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you often work in cold environments where glue setting may be an issue. At just $32.39, it's a great value. Now, if the GLISTON Auto Dent Puller's glue setting issue concerned you, the next product might just solve that. Product number 4, Super PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit. At $85.49, the Super PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit offers a more professional approach. What caught my attention was the inclusion of a high-power glue gun and a LED reflector board. If you're serious about doing quality repairs, this one deserves your attention. This kit comes with everything you need: a golden lifter, bridge puller, and a slide hammer to tackle various sizes and depths of dents. The LED reflector board is particularly impressive. It helps pinpoint those hidden imperfections that might be tough to see otherwise. The high-power glue gun heats up quickly and ensures a strong bond, which is crucial for effective dent removal. The kit's 4-star rating from 566 reviews showcases its effectiveness for challenging repairs. However, some users noted it's not suitable for cars that have had prior body work done. Here's my perspective. If your vehicle is in pristine condition or hasn't been repaired before, this kit will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit for professional-level repairs. Skip this one if your vehicle has had previous body work done that could complicate the process. For $85.49, it delivers excellent quality. Now, if the limitations of the Super PDR kit struck you, let's look at the last option that offers a different angle. Product number 5. VEVOR 117 PCS Car Dent Puller Kit. Finally, we have the VEVOR 117 PCS Car Dent Puller Kit, priced at $55.90. This one stood out to me because of its extensive range of tools and accessories. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with everything included, this is worth checking out. It also comes with 50 different tabs, which is great for customizing your approach to various dent sizes. The glue sticks in this kit are noted for their strong viscosity, which helps ensure the tabs stick firmly during use. With a decent 3.8-star rating from 819 reviews, it seems to work well for many users. However, some people found the instructions a bit lacking. Here's the thing, if you're handy and can figure it out, you might still find this kit incredibly useful, but if you need step-by-step guidance, that could be a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a featured-packed kit to tackle a variety of dents. Skip this one if you prefer detailed instructions. At $55.90, it offers solid value for the range you get. In summary, we've covered some excellent options today. The GLISTON 45 PCS kit is great for budget-conscious buyers, while the Super PDR kit offers a well-rounded approach. The GLISTON Auto Dent Puller is straightforward, and the Super PDR Paintless kit is perfect for serious repairs. Finally, the VEVOR kit packs a lot of tools into one package. Depending on your needs and budget, you're sure to find a kit that suits you.